Press is softer, see? Just falls like. Pretty.
We're all going out for a walk. Hello, Dad.
From the graduation.
And then we're gonna do our boomerang stuff. So were you.
When he was born, he really looked like me.
The sky's so pretty. Wow. Logan just put his freaking boomerang over the neighbors. There you go. Gwen's throwing out Tombo's poop. Here we go. He loves this field. He loves running around in here. Tombo thinks that boomerang is for him. Dad's newest hobby, boomeranging.
Chums! Chummy!
Hi, baby. He's so happy.
He's like, Mom, I hate your apartment.
Go, 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 go!
Go, run!
Where? Where do you put it?
We are on top of the Mount Twin. Mount Twins.
Tombo doesn't get it. Such a fake. Tombo. Tombo grabs
Is it like a gimbal or something?
Tombo
It
thinks
just looks like he's eating a banana. The rainbow. It's ugly. Oh my gosh. No.
Okay, it's family time. Everybody is there trying to fly, to throw the... Where's M? It's M right there. Trying to throw. Trying to throw. That's it. Ooh, look at those two. Got it. And who's doing the Jay? Oops. Tombi. That's it.
Ma, Dad, please don't leave.
Look.
I don't want to be an adult. That's not true.
South is that one.
North is this way.
I don't want to be an adult.
Yeah, because north is behind us.
Ganda ko ganyan. This,
Help. Help.
I like this weight of mine. 160.
Congratulations, thank you. Yeah.
Woo!
Excited. For what? Yeah. Positive vibes. Moving up.
Wait, you should go to Colorado. Colorado.
The Rogers and Costucci are leaving tonight. They're leaving. Bye. There you go. There you go. Boop. And boop. Hey, Tomby, why did you lock the door? Tomby, you stay with us.